which bird is lighter than a coin and flaps its wings 80 times a second? Get ready to flap your brain wings. This bird quiz will amaze you. Wings ready? Dive into this exciting birds quiz. It's quiz time. How many can you get right? Test your knowledge and count your correct answers as you go. And hey, don't forget to drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? Yup, it's A. Parrot. Parrots are known for their impressive vocal mimicry. Which is the largest bird in the world? Correct, it's B. Ostrich. Ostriches can grow up to 9 feet tall. Which bird can fly backwards? Correct, it's A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Which bird lays the largest egg? Correct, it's B. Ostrich. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all birds. Which bird is the national bird of India? Yup, it's C. Peacock. The peacock is India's national bird and a symbol of grace. What bird is known for its beautiful singing voice? Yup, it's A. Nightingale. The nightingale is famous for its melodic songs. Which bird can rotate its head almost all the way around? Yup, it's B. Owl. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. What bird is known for dancing during mating? Correct, it's A. Blue-footed booby. Blue-footed boobies use foot color and dance to attract mates. Which bird is the fastest in the air? Correct, it's C. Falcon. The peregrine falcon dives at a speed of 380 kilometers per hour. Which bird is known for building large, elaborate nests? Yep, it's B. Bowerbird. Male bowerbirds build decorated nests to attract mates. Which bird migrates the longest distance? Yep, it's C. Arctic tern. Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic to Antarctica each year. Which bird has eyes bigger than its brain? Correct, it's B. Ostrich. The ostrich's eyes are the size of billiard balls. Which bird symbolized peace? Yep, it's C. Dove. The dove is a universal symbol of peace and purity. Which bird is used in pigeon racing? Correct! It's A. Racing pigeon. Racing pigeons are trained for speed and navigation. What bird can sleep while flying? Correct! It's C. Swift. Swifts can stay airborne for months and sleep mid-flight. Which bird is famous for drumming on trees? Yep, it's B. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck on trees to find food and make nests. What bird lives in the coldest habitat? Yep, it's B. Penguin. Penguins are adapted to survive in icy climates. What bird often steals food from other birds mid-air? Yep, it's C. Frigate bird. Frigate birds are known pirates of the sky. Which bird has a long curved beak and loves nectar? Correct! It's A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds feed on nectar using their slender beaks. What bird cannot fly but runs very fast? Correct! It's B. Ostrich. Ostriches run up to 70 kilometers per hour. Which bird can imitate car alarms and chainsaws? Correct. It's A. Lyrebird. Lyrebirds mimic almost any sound they hear. Which bird stores food in tree bark? Yup, it's B. Nuthatch. Nuthatches wedge seeds into bark to eat later. Which bird is most often associated with wisdom? Yup, it's B. Owl. Owls are symbols of wisdom in many cultures. What bird is known for its pink color? Correct. It's A. Flamingo. Flamingos get their pink color from their food. Which bird is famous for its beautiful tail feathers? Yup, it's C. Peacock. Male peacocks fan their tail feathers to attract mates. Which bird lays its eggs in other birds' nests? Correct, it's B. Cuckoo. Cuckoos are brood parasites. They trick other birds into raising their chicks. Which bird is a popular pet known for its colorful feathers? Yup, it's B. Parakeet. Parakeets are friendly and easy to train. Which bird is named after a musical instrument due to the shape of its tail? Correct. It's A. Lyrebird. The lyrebird's tail feathers resemble a lyre, a stringed musical instrument. What bird is known for its strong memory and problem solving? Correct. It's C. Crow. Crows can use tools and remember human faces. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Correct. It's B. Albatross. The wandering albatross has a wingspan over 3.5 meters. Which bird lives almost entirely on fish? Correct, it's A. Kingfisher. Kingfishers dive into water to catch fish. What bird uses tools to extract food? Correct, it's C, crow. Crows are known for their intelligence and tool use. Which bird's call sounds like laughter? Yup, it's A, kookaburra. Kookaburras are famous for their laughing call. What bird is known for fast wing flapping? Correct, it's A, hummingbird. Hummingbirds flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Which bird walks rather than hops? Yep, it's A, starling. Starlings are known for their strutting walk. What bird has a sharp beak used to crack nuts? Yep, it's B, macaw. Macaws use their strong beaks to crack hard nuts. Which bird is sacred in ancient Egypt? Yup, it's A, ibis. The ibis was sacred to the Egyptian god Thoth. Which bird fluffs its feathers in cold to stay warm? Correct, it's C, all birds. Birds puff up to trap warm air close to their body. What bird uses mud to build its nest? Correct, it's A, swallow. Swallows build mud nests under roofs and bridges. Which bird species has nostrils at the end of its beak? Yup, it's A, kiwi. The kiwi has nostrils at the tip of its beak to sniff out food underground. Amazing! You made it to the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. See you in the next adventure.